What are the environmental impacts of acid mine drainage? Have you ever wondered how mining can affect the environment long after the work is done? Acid mine drainage, often referred to as AMD, is a serious issue that arises when mining exposes sulfur-bearing minerals to air and water. This exposure triggers a chemical reaction that produces sulfuric acid, leading to a cascade of environmental problems. When sulfuric acid forms, it dissolves heavy metals from surrounding rocks, creating toxic runoff. This runoff can severely impact nearby water bodies. One of the most alarming effects is the destruction of aquatic life. The increased acidity and heavy metal contamination can make water lethal for fish, insects, and other aquatic organisms. As a result, we see a sharp decline in biodiversity and disruption of entire ecosystems. The pH levels of water bodies drop due to the sulfuric acid, which alters the water chemistry. This change affects the solubility and availability of nutrients and metals, harming aquatic plants and animals. The delicate balance of the ecosystem is upset, leading to further declines in wildlife populations. Another significant concern is toxic metal pollution. Metals such as iron, lead, and mercury can leach into the water, poisoning wildlife. This contamination can also enter the food chain, affecting not only animals but also humans who rely on these water sources for drinking and agriculture. Even after mining operations cease, abandoned mines can continue to generate acid mine drainage for decades. Rainwater and snowmelt keep the chemical reactions going, making AMD a persistent environmental hazard. This long-term contamination poses ongoing challenges for water quality and ecosystem health. The acidic water from AMD can also damage infrastructure. Bridges, pipelines, and water treatment systems can corrode, leading to increased maintenance costs and safety risks for nearby communities. The socio-economic effects of acid mine drainage are far-reaching. Industries that depend on clean water, such as agriculture, fisheries, and tourism, suffer greatly. Polluted water can reduce crop yields and fish populations, while also deterring tourists, resulting in economic losses for affected regions. For those working in high-risk professions related to acid mine drainage treatment, the challenges are unique. These professionals must handle hazardous materials and navigate dangerous environments, such as abandoned mines or contaminated waterways. Their work requires specialized knowledge and protective measures to manage health risks while attempting to restore or contain environmental damage. Acid mine drainage poses a serious threat to ecosystems, human health, and infrastructure. Its environmental impacts ripple through both natural and human systems, making its management a critical yet risky profession for those involved in remediation efforts. Understanding these impacts helps us appreciate the importance of effective toxic waste management and the ongoing need for environmental protection.